Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a Facebook account. So without wasting any time, let's begin. First of all, open Chrome. And write here www.facebook.com and click on search. Then click on create new account. Then write your name as you want. So I write my name with then click on next. Then write here and select your date of birth. So I choose my date of birth, that is 23rd, that is April. Then click on next. Then write here your phone number and click on next. Then select your gender, as you are male, female, या custom. So I'm male, so I will click on male. Then write here your password as you want. So I write my password, click on not now, then copy and paste here, and then click on confirm. So then click on continue. So your account is confirmed successfully. Then if you want to add friends, add from here or click on next. Then also click on next. Choose file from gallery, picture of my channel. So I click on that and click on save. So your Facebook account is now complete and you use Facebook from here. And thanks for watching guys. For more videos, subscribe to my channel if you like the video.